5 websites for front-end developer, like who use Tailwind CSS. They can find components for blocks on these 4 websites. And like first website is Flowbite, and you can see like there are a lot of components that you can see: a water and a badge, breadcrumb, and with many it provides like many functionalities, like you can use React components also, Next.js, Vue, and like a lot of stacks are there, and you can use the code directly from there. And the second is like application UI components. This is hyper UI, as you can see. So in here you can basically the same thing, you can find like components, like this is the component. You can copy the code easily from like just by clicking here you can copy the code. And the third website is like Tailblocks, and here you can see the components like in the side. So here you can just click on the component, and you'll have that component. And by clicking on view code, you can just like you can easily copy the code and paste your code wherever you want to use. And the fourth website is uh, Kitewind. And in Kitewind it does the same thing, like you have components and can like basically you can use it